Hello guys, so we are welcome back to our indexing registration process or procedure. So because I left the machine and I went to do something, when I come back, you have to log in. Because I already have my login details on the machine, it will take me straight to my dashboard. But if you haven't saved your login details to the machine, all what you have to do is you have to use the username that we created from the first video, then you put in the password, and that will bring you to your dashboard. And on the dashboard, on the left, you see indexing. So you click on indexing. When you click on indexing, a page will open, and in the page we have from number 1 to number 6, of which we are going to fill in all those details. Number 1 is basic information, but I've already started, or in the first video I started filling my basic information, so I have my basic information over there. So after maybe you filling in your basic information, you can click save, so that at least at every step you have your information captured or saved into the system. From basic information, you come to address line, where you are required to fill in all the address lines. And in the previous videos, I filled in my address line, so my address lines has been filled for me. So what you do is you have to also fill in your address line. So after filling in your address line, you click on save, so that your information will be saved into the system. Then after filling the address line, which is the number 2, we come to number 3, which is qualification info. The qualification info here, you are going to input your qualification. If you came in with SSC, this is for you. So those who came in fresh from SS, you are supposed to fill the option 3. But if you are post basic student, those who did hack, NAC, community health nursing, and you are doing your top up degree program, you are not required to fill the option 3. You will go and fill the option 4. So the option 3 is mostly for the SS leavers, so they will click on that. Then after clicking on qualification info, you come to add certificate. When you click on add certificate, a page will open, and over there you'll be required to fill in those details. So on the left you have select qualification. So you click on select qualification, and you click on West Africa Secondary School Examination, because most of you have WASI. But if you went to the Secondary School Certificate Examination SSC, then you'll be required to input SSC over there. Then the certificate number or serial number, in order not for us to confuse ourselves, probably can use 001 to number a certificate. Even though there are some certificate numbers on the certificate, sometimes when you click this the slash key, or where sometimes it affects everything that we do. So you put 0.0, like you put 001 as a certificate number, and the date that they issued the certificate, if they issued it in 2022, you put the date over there. Then you select the program that you studied in SHS. So probably I did science, so I'll select science. So after selecting, you'll be required to fill in the subject that you study, 3 core and 3 electives. So the core for nursing students should be English, math, and science. So English, math, and science. So you put in those details. And the grade, if you had A1 in English, if you had A1 in science, if you had A1 in mathematics, you have to fill in those. Then you come to choose your elective subjects. So the elective, so for science student, your elective is what? Biology, physics, chemistry, or elective maths, physics, chemistry, or elective math, biology. So depending on the elective that you did, or the elective that you qualified with, so probably mine will be biology, chemistry, maybe physics. If yours is elective math and all that you feel, then you put in the grade that you had to over there. So you're going to put in, you select all the grade that you had. This part is for those who came into the school with SSC, or who are starting fresh afresh from level 100. Let me put that in. So let me put that through. So after everything, you click on save changes, then you confirm the save. Okay, So that is it. But if at a point in time you realize you've made an error in the data that you have submitted, you can click on the red button over here, the red sign over here where the cursor is. You can click on it and you delete it. But if the information is correct then or accurate, then we move on to option 4, which is the program info. For the option 4, everyone is going to fill the option 4. For the option 4, everyone is going to fill the option 4, whether you are a hack or post-NAC or post-basic student, or you are a fresh intake. We are going to select the option 4. Because I am a nurse, that's why you see registered general nursing at my program. If I am a midwife, you see midwifery at your at the part that they have written program. So the most important thing is you are going to select something on the program category. So the program category, you are going to select basic. Then the program type, you select degree. So that will be for the option 4. Option 4, which is the program info. So your training school would already be captured over there for you. The program that you are doing would have been captured for you. The part that you're supposed to fill will be the program category and the program type. Once you are done, you can click on save to be sure your documents or your informations are saved. So from program information, we come to the next of kin. You come to the next of kin where you are going to fill in your next of kin. My next of kin is Judas Iscariot. It's a carrot. It's a carrot. So that's my next of kin. Then if my next of kin is having other names, I'll put the other names over there. My relationship, Judas Iscariot is my brother. Then the address line, we are all using the same address line. The country that we are in Ghana, the region, you choose the region where your next of kin is. So Western region, the district is Takra, the town is Ifiekuma. Then you put in the telephone number of your next of kin. So if your next of kin telephone number is this, you put in the next of kin telephone number. If the person uses more than one telephone number, you put in the other telephone number. You put in the email address of your next of kin. Maybe the email address of my next of kin will be Judas at resurrection probably.com. Then I'll put the next of kin email address over there. If your next of kin is having more than one email address, then you put the second email address too over there. Then you come to the option 6 or other info. The other info is for those post-NAC students. So if you came in with NAC certificate, hack certificate, community health certificate, and you're doing your top-up program, you are required to fill the other information. So the NAC students, you fill the other information. So in the other information, what you are going to do is because I had already started process, that's why I have certain things probably uploaded over there. But with the other information, what you do is you come and you upload the document we asked you to attach with, and the documents were your copy of your certificate, a copy of your hack certificate, and a copy of your PIN or your ID or your PIN number. So what you do is you come to add document. When you come to add document, you select certificate that you are going to upload. So before you upload all the documents, know where you have saved all the documents. So first, if you are going to upload your admission letter first, you click on admission enrollment document number. As I said, you can label the since we have, if this is your first entry, you can make it 001. Then the issue date, the issue that the admission was offered to you, you can select that one. Then you click choose. The choose will take you to the place that you have already saved your document. Then you look for the document, then you select the document. After selecting, you click open. When you click open, so let me just use any document that I have over here that will help me. So probably I will just use this document over here. I'll click on this, and after clicking on it, I'll come to save changes. When I click on save changes, the document will be saved onto the let me use the word the portal. Then I'll come to add document again. So on the second document, you go and select the document that you are going to attach again. And since you are attaching your admission letter, your HAC certificate, and all this, so the next document that you're going to select will be your Nmc certificate. So you click on Nmc certificate, and so the document number will be 002. Then the issue date, the date that Nmc issued the certificate to you, you select that one over here. Then you go to choose file, and wherever you have saved your certificate, you go and pick it from there. So depending on where you have saved your certificate, let me see whether I have saved my certificate somewhere, then I'll upload that one. So depending on where you have saved your certificate, I don't have my certificate saved on my laptop yet. Okay, I have one over here. So then I have one over here. So I can search for where my certificate is, then I'll upload that one two over there. Then let's say I've uploaded. Then the third one is you come and add document again, and you go and choose the third one, which will be your pin. Then you upload everything. So after uploading everything over here, you click on save. So after you are done saving all the documents, you come to preview. You can come to preview. When you come to preview, all the information that you have saved will be captured over there, so that you can go through and check whether you have really filled in the necessary document that you're supposed to fill. But if you haven't uploaded your picture yet, you can go to the basic info, then you click on this sign, the upload sign. We have two signs. We have one which has a cross or a multiplication sign or an X sign. That means remove. Then we have the upload sign. So you click on upload, then you go and select your picture, then you upload it over there. So after uploading, you can now come and click save to over here. Mind you, your passport picture should be in your uniform, your white uniform with a red background. So after saving it, you come to preview. So when you preview all the information that you have and you think the information is right, then from there you can click on submit. Then after clicking on submit, you print a copy of the printed document and you send it to us. So this is the step. If you have any information, you can leave your comment or you can leave your question in the comment section. I'll look at it and I'll address you accordingly. Thank you very much.